Hi, this is Raghav. I wanted to share a small appreciation post. I have recently purchased a duplex in Experion Vinchance, which is one of the most premium societies of Gurgaon. I have got my keys and ribbon cutting ceremony happened last week itself. Special thanks to Experion Vinchance team and the delivery team, Mr. Sandeep Yadav, and all the team members associated with him. Everyone was on their toes last week. They were happy to help us. They were happy to support us, and the entire AC units, the entire neatness and cleanliness of the property, and every micro things were being taken care of. We look forward for the same experience with the Experion Venture, and looking forward to shift in our new duplex very soon. Thank you so much, and look forward to stay and make our lives more happy and colorful in coming year.